Big H is back. Like I said, we're doing gyros. So I got a pound of hamburger, pound of lamb. You can use whatever you want. If you got just hamburgers, use hamburger. If you got pork, mixture, or whatever, I don't care. We had lamb, we had to buy a pound of hamburger. Chopped up a small onion, real nice and diced it. 2 eggies, a little bit of breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, and parsley. I think that was everything. Wash fingers! Okay, this is something different. I saw the last time I did these, I just kind of made like a loaf, and then I just sliced it. We're gonna try it this way. Get you some parchment paper. And you're gonna roll it out, I guess. There might be one of the frozen parts in there, but you know, that'll just have to do. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, well, I'll take it. And then just fold it on itself. And you'll place it on a baking sheet. I got that one done. I don't know how many I'm gonna get, so let's see where it goes. Okay, I got like, I don't know, 3 pretty good sheet looking things. Sheets for the wind. I don't know. Maybe 20-25 minutes because it's real thin. But put it in 350 until it's done. I don't know. Until it's not going to kill you. Alright, good job, Helen. I'm not even recording. And you know, that's what I call Lex and Sophia when they do something dumb. Like Helen Keller. Come on, Helen. Come on, Helen. Let me put a little oil in here again. I'm using a little olive oil. And you throw that in there. We had to take a break, you know, you get serious again. But these are the, I don't know, unless you make your own white Greek style pita. Easy. One day I'll make my own. Just not tonight.
You want this like this, honey? Can we just leave it like that for now?
And just like I'll make my own tzatziki sauce. Just not tonight. Yeah, I guess we'll just bring you around here while we're doing this shit. But that's what the meat comes looking like. Cooked in thin strips. The fries. And then we'll get to the ending. So yeah, that's how we're doing it tonight, baby. Well, Hector must be enjoying it because he's making some weird noise out there. Rawr, like the Grinch. Okay, so we got some, you know, bought tzatziki sauce because I'm not making it. The meat, the tomatoes. I would have lettuce, but we don't have lettuce. I did get some feta cheese today. I knew I should have bought the lettuce because I thought Mom bought it yesterday, but she didn't.
We both went to the store and still forgot it.
So, we're just doing feta cheese, tomato, tzatziki sauce, meat, and french fries, baby. That's what we are doing tonight. Excuse you. He just smiles. There you go. If you can see that and you're missing out, you need to make this shit. Because I know this is good.
You and the Greeks and their gyros.
This is probably one of my favorite meals. Right here. And it's so easy. It's so easy to make. Big H out. Snowmageddon's coming. And we gonna go eat. Love ya.